This is a simple but authentic recipe for chicken and chorizo paella. As you can see, it's a beautiful dish. It's very hearty and everybody loves it. Always a hit. Let's get started with our paella pan. This is a 15-inch paella pan. We're going to put about a quarter cup of extra virgin olive oil and then our chicken thighs. We're going to sear them up a bit just to get some color on them, flip them, and then we're going to go in with our aromatics. We got about a half a medium onion chopped up. We're going to sear it up and sweat it just a bit and then add in our garlic. 1 clove chopped up is fine. Then we're going to go in, mix it up, and go in with our Spanish chorizo. It's very important to use Spanish, not Mexican. After that, we're going to go in with half a medium tomato, pureed, and a little squeeze of tomato paste for some flavor. Caramelize that up a little bit before we add in about a tablespoon of smoked paprika and a pinch of saffron. Now we're going to add in some green beans. Runner beans would be traditional, but I couldn't find them. This is a very important part. This is half a cup of Bomba rice for this 15-inch pan. It's very important to use Bomba rice. You could get away with arborio, but I don't recommend it. Just go online, get yourself some Bomba rice. It's totally worth it. Now we're going in with 2 cups of seasoned chicken stock. I salted it beforehand and tasted it. This is just so I could pour it in. Just give it a little bit of a shake, and then we're going to put it in an oven at 325 for 20 minutes. So now we got it on our heavy simmer, and it's time to put it in the oven for 20 minutes. Here's the finished product, looking really pretty, beautiful, full of flavor, except for that busted up piece of rosemary looking like Charlie Brown's Christmas tree, all raggedy. That's all right. Just use a fresh piece of rosemary for yourself. Grill some lemons, throw them in the corners. You're good to go. Right now, I'm going to check the corners. I'm going to stick a spoon in there. Usually when cooking over an open fire, you'll have a crust of rice. It's called socarat. It's pretty signature, but listen, it's hard to get in an oven. Listen, we're cooking at home. This is still delicious and really phenomenal paella. Thanks for watching. Enjoy, and make sure to hit that subscribe button.